Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. Well, Uber and Lyft drivers are celebrating that they are now getting more money and increased pay. Gig workers are actually forming a union, which you could get access to. We're gonna go down and actually, go into the details. So please thumbs up the video. Let's get right into it. So gig workers are announcing a new union at Uber's San Francisco headquarters. This is very, very big. This is going on this week, which by the way, if you don't want to be in a union, but you do want to get guaranteed pay, you can sign up for Solo with our link below, and they actually help you get guaranteed pay while still being on your own schedule. And right now, for a limited time, when you sign up for Solo, they're going to give you $10 simply for signing up for free with our link. Linking your active gig account, if you're doing at least one ride or trip, you can get the 10 bucks. Then going into your wallet and typing in your payment method, which they have Venmo or PayPal. So look at this. Delivery workers and other gig workers across California will descend on Uber's headquarters in Mission Bay on Wednesday and announce the formation of a statewide union. It's the first Uber union ever, guys. Woohoo! At least here in America. I know in the UK they have some unions. Founders of the union, called the California Gig Workers Union, said their conditions have not improved since Prop 22 was passed by California voters in 2020, classifying gig workers as independent contractors and not employees. So this is for the people, the workers who want to be employee status. You want to be on a set schedule, driving 40 hours a week, clocking in on your shift. You probably got a boss. You probably got, set wage you're earning. If you want that, this is for you. If you want to, do part-time, whatever, clock in, clock out on your own, you probably aren't gonna like this because there's rules with the union. For years, Prop 22 was ruled unconstitutional and unenforceable under the state constitution in August 2021 by Superior Court Judge Frank Roche. I didn't even know that. For years, gig companies have exempted themselves from providing basic protections and rights to their workers, including minimum wage, overtime pay, paid time off, and access to compensation when they are injured on the job. Past several years, the Mobile Workers Alliance in Southern California and We Drive Progress in Northern California have brought together tens of thousands of gig workers to fight for basic rights and protections and push back against tech company exploitation. The two groups are now uniting under a statewide banner, the California Gig Workers Union, with the core goal of winning union rights for gig workers across the state, the press release adds. Very big, my friends. So the rally is taking place on Wednesday, October 12th. At 11 a.m. at Uber's headquarters in San Francisco. So, golly willikers, I wish I was there. But if any of you guys are heading there, please let me know. And I would love to get some photos or videos from you guys. So, thanks for watching, y'all. Sign up for Solo with their link below. You can get 10 bucks. They track your miles automatically, manage your income, and of course, sign up for the daily guarantee pay feature, which is really awesome. And you get $10 when you use our link and link your active gig account. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you soon.